AutoCAD Drafting Part 2, Section 8, Lecture 67, Section Cut, Flow and Foundation. Okay, if I come to the flow here, we can find some layers. The topmost one, it says a 3-inch PCC paved, and at the bottom, next one is 9-inch earth fill. Okay, now if I focus on the roof level of ground floor, which is here, we can find the slab and the beam. So slab and the beam are casted together, so it becomes as a monolithic structure. So there's no separation line. But if I focus here at the bottom here also, I can find a beam, and this says PCC paved. PCC means plain cement concrete, the concrete which does not contain the reinforcement bars. But we know for the concrete there's a hatch pattern, so this hatch pattern is not that suitable. So I'll change it. Okay, so now I get a correct hatch pattern. So this is PCC, plain cement concrete, a concrete without reinforcement. Now this is kind of a slab, we can say floor slab, and this is the beam. But if you observe, there's a separation line. Why? Because if I jump to Google search as plinth beam means the beam at the floor level. If you check the construction process, even after finishing the construction of these beams, we cannot see the floor slab. Floor slab is casted in another day, that means at the end of the work. So the beam and the slab casted in 2 different days, so it cannot become as a monolithic structure. So there's a separation line. So that's why we can find a separation line, because this is casted in a different day and this is casted in a different day. Okay, so underneath we can find 9-inch earth filling. If I go back to the photos again, here we can find up to certain level the soil can be filled. Already we can see some of the material has dumped here. So this is achieved through filling and compaction process. So anyhow, I'm not going to dig deeper into the construction technology. If you want in future, you can go through my construction technology courses. Okay, so this may be the natural ground and this is the tie beam or plinth beam. Then up to certain level again the soil is filled and compacted. Then later a layer of concrete, plain cement concrete is casted. Sometimes brick is used. Okay, coming to the foundation here, this doesn't look like a foundation. Actually we have learned the drawing is a language. So this language says there are some foundation along this line, but it's not exactly detailed here. If you check in another drawing, maybe in the foundation detail drawing, we can get a better understanding. Okay, that's it. We'll move to the next lecture.